how to delete your Uber Eats account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete your Uber Eats account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. One thing you have to understand is that deleting your Uber Eats account means deleting your Uber Eats account as a whole, which means it is going to delete your normal Uber account, Uber Eats account, the driver's account, as well as also the rider's account, whatever it is, because all of them are basically just one Uber account. So all you have to do is go ahead and launch the Uber Eats application here, and once you launch the Uber Eats app, tap the account icon. From here, just go to the option known as help, as you would be able to find it, and from help go to account and payments. From here, go to the option called account settings, and under account settings select the option called deleting account or something like that. So here you can see I need help deleting my Uber Eats account, so make sure to select that option. Here you'll find delete my Uber account link. Make sure to tap on that, and after you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and then basically log in with your Uber account on your browser here as well. Once you log in with your Uber account on your browser, you will be able to go ahead and then successfully delete your Uber Eats and those rider and delivery accounts as well. This way you will be able to delete your Uber Eats account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.